Winter can be seriously hard on hair as cold and dry air, harsh weather and everything that comes with it can make your hair dehydrated and more prone to breakage. Also, itchy scalp and flaky dandruff is very common as wearing caps increases this fungal growth. With few changes in daily routine and the usage of the right hair care products, especially curated for winter, you can now achieve healthy and lustrous hair without any dryness. Let's have a quick look at my hair care favorites and the reasons to give it a try. Step 1. When cold winds wreak havoc on your hair, restore your moisture by oiling your hair. Go for Moha 5-in-1 hair oil. It's a 100% Ayurvedic hair oil enriched with 5 natural oils like jojoba, almond, argan, rosemary and coconut, which fights all the problems like dandruff and flaky scalps, dry brittle hair and split ends. Control hair fall, promotes hair growth from follicles and makes your hair soft, shiny and strong. I recommend oiling your hair twice a week, but if you find hair oiling a tiresome job, go for a relaxing warm hair oil massage. Do not heat oil for long as it may burn your scalp. And if you have any dandruff concerns, do go for Moha Anti-Dandruff Hair Oil, enriched with neem, tea tree and rosemary. Step 2. Shampooing hair is an important step and choosing the right shampoo as per your need and sensitivity of scalp is of utmost importance. Moha, my favorite hair care brand, offers a range of shampoos for different needs, like the herbal shampoo for hair fall control and shine as it is loaded with amla, aloe, brahmi and ringraj. Second shampoo Moha offers is the Moha Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. This paraben-free formula is gentle for all scalp type, even the sensitive ones, and the herbal goodness of hibiscus ensures soft and shiny hair, while antifungal neem and tea tree treats dandruff concerns religiously without any dryness, unlike any other shampoo available in the market loaded with chemicals. But my favorite is Moha Sulfate-Free Herbal Shampoo. Why? Because I love experimenting with my hair with color and styling, hence need special care to maintain it. So I go for Moha Sulfate-Free and paraben-free formula that is very gentle on my treated hair and scalp and does not wash away or fade my hair color. It is powered with nourishing keratin, argan oil, sunflower oil, green tea and so much more. And Moha Sulfate-Free Herbal Shampoo helps retain hair color and shine to up to 50 washes. Isn't it amazing? And is clinically proven. So mark my words and do give it a try. Step 3 is conditioning. I skip using hair conditioners in summers, but winter dryness pushes me to condition my hair every time I shampoo my hair. So my hair conditioner also is from Moha. It has a creamy yet quick absorbing texture that spreads easily through the strands. And jojoba, aloe, almond and wheat germ oil present hydrate, nourish and moisturize my hair deep. For best results, keep it for 5 minutes and wash it off with room temperature water. Please avoid warm water as it strips away natural oils, making the hair and scalp dry. Or if you have extremely dry curly hair asking for deep conditioning, give good 5 minutes of steam to your hair while there is conditioner applied on the hair. Wrap it with warm towel and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. The effects you will see post-wash are that of salon spa, repaired and nourished hair. So try doing it fortnightly or once a week. Step 4. And now the final step is hair serum application. Hair serum helps remove frizz and makes hair manageable. Winter dryness does make our hair dry and frizzy, so it's a very important step we often choose to ignore. Did you know hair serum just does not help maintain your hair or cuts out frizz, but also conditions them and protects them from the daily damage of pollution, humidity and styling tools. So Moha offers this amazing hair serum with the nutrition of flaxseed oil, hibiscus oil and water lily, which is very unique in the market. It removes frizz instantly, boosts shine and makes hair style ready. It is an amazing product and I would rate it 5 on 5. But all I would summarize by saying, you've got to try it to believe it. Go fight winter dryness and dandruff concerns with Moha range of products and get healthy hair without any side effects. Hope you all liked the detailed review. Drop your suggestions in the comment section below. Would love to answer them. And for more such beauty content, follow the Moha Life.